Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a quick reminder that the AliExpress store is having the huge sale, and I just wanted to come on quickly and show you a couple of things that I made with the Alina Crafts, Alina Cuddle dies that I just recently got in, and just to give you some quick inspiration and just remind you that the sale has started, so go ahead and jump over there because I don't want you to miss out on all the great deals. All right, so as I showed you the other day, this treat box die, which I'm absolutely having a lot of fun with, I made another one and it looks like this. And I used the new bow die, which is that heart scallop bow. And then this is a flag with little hearts. And I stamped out "You Are Fabulous." And this is using this die right here and this stamp set right here where it says "You Are Fabulous." Really cute stamp set. And I just did a double layer, and then I did die cut out this part in gold foil paper, and I think it came out really, really pretty. And this is the back. Absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to show that. And then I also made a quick little card. I used the scalloped, well, not scalloped, but the wavy square set that's new in her shop. I also used the mason jar that's in her shop. This, again, that heart bow. Really, really pretty. And as you can see, I did layer the wavy square several times and created the card base with the wavy square. And it just says "Winter Wishes," and I think that came out super, super cute. So yeah, this is just a quick video to show you a couple little things that I made, and just to let you know that the sale did start today, so definitely head over there and fill up your cart. I will have links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.